Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2012 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Custom. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2012 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Custom with 37,752 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and has been upgraded with Rex slip-on mufflers, a Screaming Eagle Stage 1 intake, Harley-Davidson LED headlights, a shift linkage, grips, passenger footrests, axle caps, a tinted windshield, and windshield trim, LED turn signals, levers, a center console, mid-frame heat shields, docking hardware, and a short antenna. We have installed new front and rear tires. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the Road Glide puts 101 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the Road Glide has a 180 to 200-mile range. It has a 27.1-inch seat height and an 817-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts and installed new front and rear tires. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and ships well. Our technician has noted that the front cylinder has a broken exhaust stud. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches and paint chips on the front fender, a scratch on the center console, a scratch on the rear fender, scratches on the saddlebag, scuffs on the inner fairing, and a crack on the windshield trim. This bike has one key and one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.